Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A cordless angle grinder is a versatile, powerful handheld tool essential for a range of tasks, from cutting and grinding to polishing and finishing. Unlike traditional grinders, a cordless angle grinder operates on rechargeable batteries, allowing greater mobility and convenience on job sites or for DIY projects. These tools feature high-speed rotating discs capable of tackling a variety of materials, including metal, tile, wood, and concrete, making them invaluable for both professionals and hobbyists. With no power cord to limit movement, users can reach tight spaces, work more flexibly, and take on projects in remote locations. Today's cordless angle grinders come equipped with advanced features such as brushless motors for extended tool life, variable speed control, and enhanced safety measures, making them highly efficient and user-friendly. Number 5. Magnitt Cordless Angle Grinder. The Magnitt Cordless Angle Grinder is a versatile and powerful tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts. With its 1280W rated input power and brushless motor, this grinder offers excellent performance, making it ideal for various tasks from sanding to grinding. The Magnitt Cordless Angle Grinder is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts looking for a portable, powerful tool for various household tasks. With a brushless motor, high speed, and ergonomic design, it strikes a good balance between performance and ease of use. However, it may not be ideal for professional settings that require heavy-duty, continuous use. Number 4. Dewalt DCG405 Cordless Angle Grinder. The Dewalt DCG405 Cordless Angle Grinder is a high-performance tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need portability without sacrificing power. This grinder is powered by a 20V battery, allowing users to operate it wire-free, making it ideal for use in areas without easy access to power outlets. The Dewalt DCG405 Cordless Angle Grinder is a versatile, portable tool that performs well in both home DIY and professional settings. It's an excellent choice for users looking for a balance between power and convenience, especially for light to moderate grinding tasks. The brushless motor and lightweight design make it a standout option, though the lack of a battery may be a consideration for some buyers. Number 3. Yofidra Cordless Angle Grinder. The Yofidra Cordless Angle Grinder is a versatile and compact tool designed primarily for home DIY enthusiasts who want a powerful yet lightweight grinder. This model stands out with its impressive specifications, including a brushless motor, variable speed control, and a high no-load speed of 20,000 RPM. Below, we'll go over some of the key features and performance highlights of this grinder. The Yofidra Cordless Angle Grinder is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts seeking a reliable, high-speed grinder. It's lightweight and easy to use, while the brushless motor and variable speed offer durability and control for different tasks. Although it may not replace a heavy-duty cord grinder for professional applications, it's an excellent option for home projects, offering good performance at a reasonable weight and size. Number 2. Gisam Cordless Angle Grinder. The Gisam brushless cordless angle grinder stands out in the realm of home DIY tools, offering a combination of power, convenience, and efficiency that appeals to both novice users and seasoned craftsmen. The Gisam brushless cordless angle grinder is an excellent investment for anyone looking to tackle home improvement projects with ease and efficiency. With its powerful performance, portability, and user-friendly features, it simplifies the tasks of cutting, grinding, and polishing. Whether you're a hobbyist or a serious DIYer, this angle grinder is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Highly recommended for those who appreciate quality and performance in their tools. Number 1. Milwaukee Cordless Angle Grinder. The Milwaukee Cordless Angle Grinder is an exceptional tool designed for both professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts. With its brushless motor, this grinder offers enhanced efficiency and longer life, making it a reliable addition to any toolkit. The Milwaukee Cordless Angle Grinder is a powerful, versatile tool that stands out for its performance, build quality, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, this grinder can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Its combination of power, control, and convenience makes it a worthy investment for anyone looking to enhance their toolkit. With Milwaukee's reputation for quality and reliability, this angle grinder is sure to meet your needs and exceed expectations. Thanks for watching this video.